Why's something went wrong? Fix. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the something went wrong error in Wise. Step 1, restart the app. Close Wise completely and open it again. Step 2, check your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out connection issues. Step 3, update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Wise app. Step 4, log out and back in. This refreshes your session and often fixes the error. Step 5, wait and try again. Temporary system issues can cause this message. Step 6, contact Y support. If the error doesn't go away, contact Y support in the app. Tips: use another device if needed. Don't retry too fast. And save screenshots. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Wise something went wrong error. Thanks for watching.